is Elias, and I'm going to make a frosting like Sunday, like blueberry and cream sundae. Okay, so if you just see right here, so I'm cutting some strawberries like this. Only professional kids to do this, and the fact you gotta be very careful. And in fact, like you only need to cut it to 3 pieces or 2 pieces. If it's more, then it's started with 2 pieces. And in fact, you're not supposed to touch blueberries, you're only supposed to touch the strawberries. In fact, with the very long ones, if you want to do it in 3, just do it very carefully. So, we don't put it in a very large bowl. So, if you can see where I'm putting them, I'm not going to put it on nowhere. We don't put it on bowl. A very big one because you cannot eat them in 2 pieces, so just put them inside 3 pieces. Now see, this is 2 red, so just put it inside like this. Okay, then that. Now, very small ones like this, you gotta be very careful. And like I say, when it's summer, you should be very sweaty. And see here, it's so hot. I bet you didn't know that. Let me just hit over this part. So if you see right here, you don't be very careful. You don't do aim the angle, or you don't do it. And in fact, there's other videos that we don't do pretty soon. That's how I feel. Like at the same channel that we already have, is like we only got 1 channel, chores, right? And make sure to hit that like button. How's this one here done? Alright, so this one's here done? Okay. Okay, Aaron's brightness is still pretty good. Okay, so you know to put it sometimes inside the middle if you like. Except I'm not going to do that. Then after that, put it inside a bowl. Otherwise, then it's going to be super dirty. Okay, see, like first when you do that, you're supposed to wash your strawberries.
That's right. Before you cut them, right?
Yeah, or else they don't be bad. And if you do it inside the bowl, then you can see how many dirt are inside of there. Yeah, now you're all done. Now let's put some berries inside of there. Like you're supposed to set if it's not rock solid, because if it isn't rock solid, then it's dirt. Now your hands will be like this sometimes when you do it.
Oops. But that's okay.
Let me just put that. That is a bad one.
Okay.
Now this. Whoa. We did clean that up later. Whoa, I accidentally put a bad one. But it means do not put too much berries, or else it's just going to be like this of berries, and it's only going to be like berries on top of there. Oh no, this is right there. It makes her to first look at it and see if there's any bad ones. There's no bad one. I don't put a few more. No, that's not bad. So this. Now we're going to put some of that inside of there.
What is that?
Like that is the watering that we don't put inside there. So you're supposed to do a spoon with that. Like this hand spoon or a different hand spoon. We usually do these outdoors. There are 2 little spoons.
And then just mix it up?
Yeah, only 2 big spoons. Like we call it salad, like a vegetable salad.
But it's just berries, right?
Yeah. Like our family, we call it like fruit salad, right? And my mom's family, I call it strawberries and red cream because it is very like strawberries with cream because it is. So my mom, because back in the old days that they used to call it strawberry salad, right, Mom?
All right. Wow.
So if you can see what I'm doing right here, so you're supposed to do the sides and then inside of there, else you don't to twist everything up with them. Like the knife, because you always want to use a metal spoon, right? And besides, you can only use this spoon because it's perfect, right? Besides, the watering is so through that.
Okay. All right.
Okay, after when you do that, then voila, you have your own fruit salad. Pretty good, right?
Yeah, all right.
Oh, I missed one. Wait. It's okay when doing that a little bit dirty. That doesn't mean that you can stop. And voila, there. There's a fruit salad. It should turn out like this.
All right, say thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.